Well, good afternoon. I am Dana Finley. I'm one of the owners and managers of AAA Heating and Air. And I'm here to talk to you guys about some very exciting news that we have with AAA. We have a 15-year guaranteed parts and labor warranty on any new systems that we install for you. So what that means is we build a relationship with you at the time we begin by installing your system. This helps keep your system maintained. We can be sure that if anything goes wrong, we're there to fix it, and we're there to make you a satisfied customer. The reason that 15 years parts and labor is so important is because when you get a system installed, the average lifespan of your system here in the state of South Carolina, due to the humidity and the weather conditions we have, is generally anywhere from 10 to 12 years. So when you get to the end of your lifespan, you'll know that your unit is still covered by AAA Heating and Air. Also, we're able to offer you this because we have excellent pricing with our distributors, which gives us a better position in the market, and we pass that savings on to you, our customers.